Have you ever wondered why some men effortlessly make women fall for them, without chasing, begging, or proving anything? It's not luck. It's stoic power. When you master your emotions and energy, she doesn't just get attracted. She gets emotionally pulled toward you. This is how women truly fall in love. 1. She craves inner security. Women are emotional creatures, but what they truly crave is emotional safety. Not a man who's loud and needy, but one who is calm, collected, and in control. When you give her a sense of stability, not chaos, she starts feeling secure around you. That security? It plants the seed of deep attraction. 2. Masculine stillness creates sexual tension. When you're not chasing, not over-talking, and just being present, your stillness builds intensity. She begins to wonder, why is he so composed? Your silence becomes magnetic. That calm, masculine energy creates a subtle tension, and that tension slowly turns into desire. 3. Emotional control equals emotional gravity. Women don't fall for men who react. They fall for men who lead with calmness. When you control your emotions, you control the vibe. You don't get thrown off by her tests, her mood swings, or her silence. Instead of you orbiting around her emotions, she starts orbiting around your energy. That's emotional gravity. That's stoic power. 4. Unshakable confidence. Confidence isn't loud. It's felt. When you know who you are and you don't seek approval, she feels your strength without you saying a word. You move with purpose. You act without fear of rejection. And that quiet confidence makes her heart open without force. Conclusion: real love isn't created through chasing. It's created through calm strength. A woman falls for the man who gives her peace, not pressure. Your masculine stillness speaks louder than words. Your control creates the attraction. And your confidence builds the connection. That's how stoic men make women fall in love, naturally and powerfully. You don't need tricks, you need inner mastery. If you want her to miss you, chase you, and commit, watch my next video. What happens when you ignore her? Stoic power explained. Hit subscribe and step into your power. Because real men don't chase love. They attract it. Stay strong, stay stoic.